One of the things that I think I enjoy the most is hearing success stories from our students. And so it's one of those, I learned this in class on Saturday and I got to put it to use at work on Monday. Another thing that our students are really successful for is projects that they do in class, they're then taking from class, applying it to jobs that they're applying for, and getting new, different, better jobs based on kind of some of the examples that they're being able to produce from class. And so it's really nice in the curriculum to be able to not just come to school and do a school thing, but to actually come into a program where learning and career advancement is a really important component, and then taking what you've learned, applying it, and then going on and doing bigger, better things with it. Employers tell us that one of the really great things about students coming out of our program is their ability to be able to communicate both in a technical aspect and in a business application. So in this same conversation, our students are equipped to talk with business leaders and technical architects, coders, data developers, and being able to be a translator between both of these groups.